Mastering the passive voice with might. Change your active sentences into passive. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a particularly exciting topic: using passive voice with the modal verb, might. This video will help you understand how to convert your active voice sentences to passive voice when might is in use. Ready? Let's jump right in. Before we begin, let's refresh our understanding of the passive voice. In the passive voice, the subject of the sentence is not doing the action but is being acted upon. For instance, the sentence, "The cake was eaten by Mary," is in passive voice, as opposed to "Mary ate the cake," which is in active voice. Might is a modal verb used to indicate possibility. We often use might to suggest something could happen, but we're not sure. For example, it might rain tomorrow, or she might come to the party. When we use might in passive voice, the structure becomes might plus be plus past participle. Here, might signifies the possibility, be is a helping verb, and the past participle is the main verb in passive form. For instance, "The ball might be kicked by him" is a passive sentence where might is in use. Now let's get to the crux of our lesson: converting active voice sentences to passive voice with might. Suppose we have an active sentence: John might eat the cake. To convert this into the passive voice using might, we take the following steps. 1. Move the object, the cake, to the subject position. 2. Keep might as it is. 3. Use be as the auxiliary verb. 4. Use the past participle of the main verb. Eat becomes eaten. 5. Finally, move the original subject, John, to the end of the sentence and precede it with by. So, John might eat the cake becomes the cake might be eaten by John, in the passive voice. The best way to master this concept is by practicing. Try converting these sentences from active to passive. 1. The teacher might check the assignments. 2. The kids might play the game. 3. She might read the book. Remember, practice makes perfect. And there we have it. You've now learned how to use might in passive voice and how to convert sentences from active to passive. This is an important skill in English language learning, and I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and remember, learning is a journey. So keep practicing and exploring. See you in our next lesson.